Hey guys, what is going on? It is the Crypto Kid, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about when I believe when will the Bitcoin bull run start, or when will the Bitcoin bull run begin, when will the cryptocurrency bull run begin, when is cryptocurrency recover, when is Bitcoin going to recover? These are all big questions a lot of people are asking, and I want to try to give my opinion, not answer. I don't like the word answering. I tend to actually use that a lot in the past, but I want to drift more towards, obviously, it is only my opinion and no one truly knows um, what's going to happen in the market. No matter how much technical analysis you do, you really don't know. And I have been doing a lot of technical analysis lately, guys. I don't know if you know it, but I have not uploaded video in a week. I'm very sorry for this. I'm going to get back on track, uploading daily videos most likely, or every about 5 videos a week. So stay tuned for those videos, and let's get right into this. Now, if you like my videos, you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications, and like that. Smash the like button on this video. It really helps me out a lot, and it helps us grow as a community. Follow my social medias for more updates, giveaways, all that kinds of cool stuff. So yeah, let's get right into this video. So Bitcoin. So the overall cryptocurrency market cap is sitting at 200 billion right now, guys. So low. We haven't seen this point in a while now. Well, we've been seeing it obviously recently, lately, but I'm in the broad scheme of things, right? So there is a growing number of cryptocurrencies, as you see. The 24-hour volume is not the best, 12 billion, not the biggest, not the smallest. Bitcoin dominance is at a massive 55%. The altcoins are just bleeding, seeing really no bottom. But is the Bitcoin bottom in? That's the real question, because Bitcoin really drives the rest of the market. So I'm going to be giving my opinion on that. And there's going to be two main scenarios in this. It's going to involve technical analysis. So let's go over to the volume here. So scenario one, guys, and this is the one I want to feel anyways, has more potential of happening. However, that's just my opinion, right? You have to understand that a market is very unpredictable, and if you invest in things in assets, and especially stocks and Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, if you invest in them with emotion, like you say, oh, I believe in this project, I believe this coin's gonna go hit this amount today, I think it's a good investment, but the market's telling you differently and it's going down, then you need to go with what the market says. It's not about what you believe, think, in emotion based. You need to be a non-emotion based trader. I mean, if you want to invest for the long term, that is kind of different. But if you're trading, right, you cannot have emotions in this game. So you see here the volume of really all-time Bitcoin of cryptocurrency market. So obviously right here, this was the highest volumes we were reaching, and this was all around from like November to like January, February area. We were seeing volumes up into the $40 billion per day volumes, and even past that, it went up to 60 at one point. Just so much volume. So really, when we don't have much volume, that is obviously signaling a bear market, as you see here. Not much volume is constantly going down, and so is the price. Volume is going up, so is the price, right? So volume is a good thing. We saw a spike of volume here. You can actually see that right on this graph, and that was at the end of July, when we thought we were in a bull market again, when we thought we were going back up to whatever Bitcoin was going to pass. That 10,000 line was obviously the first target, but it didn't do that. And we saw it go back down to around $5,900, $5,830 range. That was kind of the Bitcoin's bottom. Well, actual bottom was like 57.9 something for in the past months, right? That's the lowest point we got to. So yeah, scenario one, guys, is what I think obviously is more likely to happen, and that is Bitcoin has already reached its bottom. I know this is not a true bottom, but just in the price of Bitcoin in the news coming out about the coin in the near future, in the next coming months, I would think would just send the price up way beyond that level, and we'll have a mini bull run probably in October, November, and December. I think we will see Bitcoin do good. We have seen Bitcoin do good in these 3 months. We've seen from October 1st, guys, to the end of December, Bitcoin for the last 3 years, 2015, 2016, and 2017, has had a gain of 80% or more. Obviously, 2017 having a gain of around 380% in that 3-month time zone. So that is massive, right? So that is signaling a pattern. However, there's obviously another scenario. But that scenario one, I think perhaps we have reached a bottom with Bitcoin for this year. It is not a true bottom. I know that, guys. You do not have to tell me that. A couple weeks ago, I was thinking it was going to go lower because, I mean, technical analyst is still kind of telling us it will go lower. But with the history of it always doing good in these next coming months, also ETF, good news about ETF coming out. I mean, in my opinion, I think that ETF will be approved now. However, it's most likely going to get delayed again to February. So 2019, in my opinion, will be actually a really good turning point in cryptocurrency and very good year in terms of price growth. And if it doesn't happen in the next coming months, I think we're definitely due for a bull run in 2019. However, the more scenario two is obviously not doing this, not having this in the next month or even 2 months, having a nice bull run, maybe not to its previous high, but just not having a bull run at all, staying in the accumulation phase and then doing that bull run in 2019 or go below that 6,000 level. So I do want to point out, if Bitcoin goes below $6,000, it is absolutely 100%, in my opinion, going to the $4,200 to $5,000 range, maybe even lower. Many people think it's going to 3,000 because that would kind of be a true bottom. But I don't see that happening. I think 4,200 to 5,000 would be a good range for it. And honestly, if it goes below that 6,000 level, that could very well happen. We really have no supports right now. It's just accumulating here. And I see it honestly going up, especially with October, November, December being good months for it. You see the 200-day moving average. That was a resistance point up here. Bounced off that, went back up, had a nice little run here. But then we obviously got rejected. We got right over that 0.5 Fibonacci. Going towards a 0.68 level, 1.8, and then we obviously did not do that and fell all the way down to this support level here and then bounced off that, and we're sitting right in the middle now. So that's using Fibonacci retracement. If you look at the MACD looks like it's going to cross. That's always a point that Bitcoin will start doing well. The RSI is quite low for Bitcoin, like not crazy low, but it's low enough for Bitcoin to move a bit. But honestly, yeah, I think, guys, that this will happen. So honestly, scenario one is Bitcoin's going to have a mini bull run in the next month or even 10 days, right? If October, November, and December, if those months are truly good, then it's obviously October's coming up soon. So that is scenario one. Scenario two is it stays in this accumulation phase for 5-6 months and then has a massive bull run in 2019, especially with tons of, obviously, I think, new big investors coming in, institutional money, ETFs getting approved, especially that one in February. I just think, honestly, it will. It has the best chance, and it's more likely to get approved than disapproved, in my opinion. So 2019, without a doubt, will be big for crypto, but I think people are looking on the short term right now. Another factor supporting that Bitcoin is going to have this mini bull run in the next 10 days, 20 days, towards the end of December, is the fact that right now, guys, all the people that weren't really knowing how to actually trade cryptocurrency, and the people we don't want in the space that just got in to make a quick buck and realize it's not that easy, I think a lot of those people have started to funnel out of crypto and give up on it. And we actually want that because that leaves room for new people that honestly don't know what they're doing. We need new flood of investors coming in. When Bitcoin just starts doing a little bit well, the news will start pumping this like it always does. The news channels likes to be neutral. They like to go with the news. If it's bad, they go with bad news. If it's good, they go with good news. They don't really care, and that honestly hypes up a lot of people that don't even know about crypto. And especially around Christmas time, November, December, a lot of people start understanding cryptocurrency better. We have seen that in the past. Studies show that, and studies show that it always, usually, on average, does good in these months. Okay. 2014 was that exception. Okay, if we go look at 2014, this is what I wanted to show you guys. This is 2014. Looks very, very similar to here. This is a 2017 bull run. You see that. This is the 2014 bull run. Super similar. Spike down, spike up, spike down, and then it had a little uptrend here, right? And we've had like 4 waves, 4 attempts. So it honestly doesn't look as bad. The 2014 one doesn't look as bad, but this is a time where the October to December bull run did not happen. October 1st to December, it was actually lower in December, so that did not happen there. But this was the accumulation phase, accumulation, bull run. Accumulation, bull run, and this is actually over like almost a year span. So obviously, hopefully, it doesn't take that long. But with more news coming out, more ETFs, I think that's gonna really speed up the accumulation phase process. If that scenario 2 doesn't happen, scenario 1 obviously being the quick bull run we always have or usually have in this October, November, and December months, but the accumulation phase could definitely happen here, and it would look like more like I just showed you in the 2014 phase, where it happened, literally precisely happened like that. When that's strange, right? That it looks that close, and that just shows how much history and technical analysis actually does work in trading, investing cryptocurrency, but not always, right? Nothing can always be 100% accurate. It's just about managing your risk and choosing the better option. So is it a better chance I'm going to make money, or is it a better chance I'm going to lose money? So you obviously want to go with better chance to make money. I do want to also show you guys this. This is in support of scenario 2, that we're going to continue falling a bit, probably past the 6,000 range, and then find a support and then accumulate, as I said, and then have a bull run. This is in for scenario 2. And that is being that all these bull runs, okay, these are all bull runs for cryptocurrency in general, 4,000% gain, 2,000, 1,600, 1,900% gain in 2017. So 2017 wasn't even the biggest, 2011. If you see here, after it reaches all-time high, and then when it was reached its final low, this one corrected by 90%. This corrected by 83%, 87%, and so far the 2017 one has only corrected by 72%. So maybe there's a bit more room to move, and the 4,200 to 5,000 level would make perfect sense if it was going to be in the 80 to 90 range, and that's what many people think. However, I do want to say something. In those years, 2013, 2011, not as many people knew about crypto. It wasn't on the news as much. There wasn't more institutional money coming into it. There weren't as many ETF, obviously. There just weren't as many people into this. Not even as many YouTubers. Not as many people talking about it. And as you know, the higher demand equals the higher the price, right? The lower supply, the higher demand equals more price. And crypto is only getting a lower supply, right? Especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin supply is constantly diminishing as more Bitcoins are bought. So like gold, right? It's not unlimited. Well, you could say that's an argument, but yeah. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you did like that little analyst. 2 scenarios. If you didn't catch that, I did say it a bazillion times, but that's what I think is going to happen, guys. Obviously, I'm more on the side that we're going to have a mini bull run to the end of December, then have a correction, and then do also good in 2019. However, many people think we're going to see a lower fall past the 6,000 point to those nice healthy supports, then accumulation for 6-8 months even, and then see a big bull run in 2019. Obviously, we want to see it this year, but you can't always get what you want, especially with trading and the markets, as they don't listen to us, right? They do their own thing, and that's the beauty of it, honestly, because it can make a lot of people lose the money, but it can also make a lot of people rich if you know what you're doing. So thank you all for watching. I hope you did enjoy this video as I enjoy making it. If you like my channel, if you like my videos, like the video, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot, helps us grow as a community. If you want to pick up some crypto, there is a Coinbase link for $10 for free just by investing $100 into cryptocurrency. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day and peace.